Hello, welcome to MINGDA. This is our printing model and a very wonderful model. MINGDA have industry and tabletop 3D printer, and this is our tabletop 3D printer. We have 3 colors: red, blue, and yellow. It is also our health sales education 3D printer. And this is our industry 3D printer, MD16. Let me show you. It's metal frame in structure and very stable. Printing high precision. This is our model. If you have any questions or interest in our MINGDA 3D printer, and please contact with MINGDA. Thank you.